Hello guys, I hope you all are doing good. So today is a very good day and today is the Vishwakarma Puja day. I hope you all will enjoy after you complete your daily task routine. And today I am coming with another video in Python. That is a very simple program. That is, I will take input from a user as n and then I will print the number from 1 to n with the following condition, that is, if the number is divisible by both 3 and 5, then it will print Fizz. If the number is divisible by 3, it will print Fizz. If the number is divisible by 5, it will print buzz. Otherwise, it will print the number itself. So, first as usual, we will take the input from the user and storing it in variable n. And here we are initializing the value of I, that is the variable I, with 1 because it will start from 1 till n, that is the number which the user is giving. So we are using here one while loop, and inside this while loop we are using one condition, that is I should be less than equals to n. Inside this while loop you can see we are using a decision making statement, that is if the number, that is each time iterating it will check if the number is divisible by 3 and 5, then it will print Fizz because we know this is a modulo operator, and if the remainder is 0, that means it's completely getting divisible. So if the number is divisible by both 3 and 5, then it will print Fizz. Else if it is only divisible by 3, then it will print Fizz. If it is only divisible by 5, it will print buzz. Else it will print the number itself. And upon iteration, we are incrementing the value of I because I is starting from 1 and it is going till n. That is the number which the user is giving. So upon running this code, let us see. So we will giving the number 15. That is, the loop will run from 1 to 15. See here, first it's printing the number because we know that 1 is neither divisible by 3 nor 5, and also it's not divisible by 3 and 5. So it is printing the number itself. Similarly 2 also, it's not divisible by 3 and 5 or else 3 or 5. So it's printing the number. But 3, it is only divisible by 3, right? 3 modulo 3, we know that is 0. So it is printing Fizz. Again 4 is neither divisible by 3 and 5. Then 5 is only divisible by 5, therefore this condition will be executed. So it is printing buzz. So in this process we are getting the following result. See 15, the last number is 15 and 15 is divisible by both 3 and 5. So it is printing Fizz. It is printing this Fizz. So this is a very simple program. You can run on your machine. Have a good day. Bye bye.